Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
C,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
1,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
2,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
3. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
A is for airplane. It flies in the sky.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the
1.
dell.
One baby arrives.
Farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife
2.
takes the
Two
child,
tiny hands
the
hold.
wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the
3.
dairy-o,
Three
the
sweet
nurse
kisses
takes the
given.
cow. The cow takes the
A,
dog,
B,
the cow takes
C,
the dog.
1,
Hi ho
2,
the dairy-o,
3.
the cow takes the dog.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.